Hello, my name is James. Today, I have a real treat. I was playing with Openai.com/playground and asked it to write me a list of questions and affirmations based on Neville Goddard's "Feeling is the Secret." Let's begin, but first I want you to know, I am not a doctor. Some of the questions contained herein may bring up some feelings that are uncomfortable. If you proceed from here, you do so at your own discretion. Questions. 1. What beliefs, thoughts, and emotions am I allowing to occupy my head and heart? 2. What beliefs and emotions do I need to let go of to open up to my greater good? 3. What positive mental attitude can I adopt to create positive change in my life? 4. What steps can I take to reprogram my subconscious mind with the thoughts of success? 5. How do I attract the right people, resources, and opportunities to achieve my goals? 6. How can I turn my thoughts and emotions into my desired outcome? 7. What is the feeling I should embrace in order to manifest my dreams? 8. What can I do today to make a change in my life and manifest my dreams? Affirmations. 1. I am thankful for the blessings I already have. 2. I accept who I am and what I have. 3. I am free to be my authentic self. 4. I open my mind, heart, and soul to the possibilities of my success. 5. I am capable of creating anything I desire. 6. I trust in the power of the universe to provide for me. 7. I am open to the abundance of life. 8. I understand that I create my reality with my thoughts and emotions. Wow, I don't know about you, but I thought that was very powerful. Listen to this every morning, when you first wake up. Then listen to this every night before you go to bed. Today is February 15th, 23. Please let me know if you notice any changes or a shift for the positive. I'll do the same. Please click on the subscribe button below this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. Thank you for watching.